Hey, what's up everybody? TooTallToby here, and in today's SolidWorks power move, we're going to talk about this plastic part. I've designed this part for a customer, and I got the color to be absolutely perfect. This looks great. And so all I need to do now is just go over here to my materials tree and change this from plain carbon steel to plastic. So we're going to set this here to ABS PC. And, oh, great. All that work I did to get that color perfect, I just lost that work. So this is something that is very frustrating, and it happens to me all the time. You spend a lot of time getting the color correct, and then you go to change the material, and boom, you lose your color. So the reason that this happens is because in the definition of a material, so when you look through here at the tree, there's a tab here that says appearance, and then that appearance drives the color of the material when you assign that material. So when I assign ABS PC, this appearance gets applied. Well, the good thing to know here is that there's a check mark here on this tab. So I'm in the materials library. We've got this tab here that says appearance, and it says apply the appearance of ABS PC. So what this means here is if I do a Control Z for undo, you can see the material here is plain carbon steel, but I've got the color looking perfect just the way that I want it. Well, now all I need to do is just go here to the material, right mouse button, say edit material, go to the desired material, which in this case is going to be plastics ABS PC, and then click here where it says appearance. And when you click on this tab, it says appearance, you can just uncheck this option, and then you can choose apply. And so if you watch the tree here, see it says plain carbon steel, apply. Now it says ABS PC and close. And now I'm going to be calculating the correct mass, and it's going to show up with the correct material on my bill of materials. But I didn't lose all that work that I did to get that color correct. And like I said, this is something that I run into all the time. I usually do it by accident. I usually forget. But if you learn this little trick, you can save yourself a lot of time and, more importantly, a lot of frustration. And I think that makes this a good power move. And if you agree, be sure to hit the like button on this video. Leave me some comments down below. And of course, if you like my style of teaching, be sure to visit us at TooTallToby.com/training. We've got a lot of great classes to help you get better at SolidWorks. And I will see all of you in the next TooTallToby Power Moves.